Debate or
Wait for a DPS. Wait for a DPS. Oh, DPS, come here. What the fuck? Why are you moving? Oh, who's this? Hello. Oh, if you're playing solo bomb or something. Guys, look northwest. Look northwest on me, guys. Look northwest on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate on me now. Go back down, southeast. Back down southeast. Careful shaper. Back down southeast. Back down southeast. Left tank in the front. Just go back down southeast. Tell me when DPS ready, okay? Tell me when DPS ready. I'll engage on the northwest, okay? I will engage on the northwest, guys. Look northwest on me, guys. Look northwest on me.
David, color.
I guess I'm down. Tips.
Look northwest on me, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hate this shit. Kill this guy. Kill this left tank. Kill the left tank. Nice one. Go back southeast. Back southeast.
The world
Go down the southeast. So we'll get sandwich with this. Just heal up. Come north. Look north on me, guys. Look north on me. 5, 4, 3, 2. Really big. Finish this. Finish. Drop damage. Nice damage. Go south. Go back south.
Color die.
Shaper.
Careful shaper. Catch the shaper. Hold. What's the situation of Thetford, guys? Oi, my party, I'm here. Where are you going? Hello, my DPS. Hello.
I think we browse Thetford, man. We should browse Thetford. They're so small.
Oh, but Bridgewater can attack our backline. Okay, guys, engage on the Thetford. Down northeast. Go down. Look northeast on me, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yo, bridge, what's this man? Southwest?
Go
Bridge,
north.
what's this man?
Go northwest. My party come north. My party come north. Come north. Down the choke and heal up everyone. Heal up. And walk southeast. Keep walking southeast. DPS, hello. Keep walking southeast.
Karul.
One. Be careful the one.
Okay, look behind, guys. Look northwest on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Drop damage. Nice one. It's okay. Keep off defense already. Go back. Go back southeast. Guys. Go back southeast. Full walk southeast. DPS tell me when you are ready. DPS tell me when you are ready. And look on me. Look northwest on me, guys. Look northwest on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big. Finish. Go back. Back southeast. Go back southeast. Full back southeast. Full southeast. Come southeast, guys. Hello, heal up. Come southeast. And pop boots and mount up. Mount up. Pop boots, mount up. Mount up. Come south. You need to stick together, guys. Come south.
Yo, southwest, this man, bridge, watch.
It's
You don't
okay.
catch.
Go north. Go east.
Oh my god, don't let our Dandu die, man.
Fuck me. And this one here. Bro, I don't know because you guys not listen. I tell you Bridgewater will flank, but you all just push Thetford and I say don't go there.
We should
look, this one look west now. Do we have DPS? Yeah, we have DPS. Nice. Walk west, guys. Walk west.
Have only two.
Say engage, bridge, watch.
Yeah. Walk west. Kill the QW the mobs inside. Just QW the mobs inside. Look west of the choke. Look northwest of the choke, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Big. Okay, go back. Nice damage. QW inside and def and QW inside. Just QW inside you and def and come southeast. Slowly take south. Go south. Slowly go south. slowly go south. Take
Nice,
south,
Popa.
slowly take south. Slowly take south, okay? Make them go back inside their fortress. And kill the mobs, please. Kill the mobs, please.
Enemy
And look on the
looking.
gate, guys. Look on the gate. Look on the gate. Counter on the gate, guys. Counter on the gate.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. On the gate, on the gate. Okay. Go back south. Back southeast.
We
Back
stop
southeast,
teleport.
back
We
south.
stop teleport ready. It's okay.
Back southeast. Back south. Why is there a Thetford block?
Can we bow teleport though? Can we bow teleport? They die.
Yeah. Walkies.
Eat,
Are they on the
healer,
top?
eat.
Then the shot. They try to
Oh,
bait
healer.
us.
Come back. I don't like this. I don't like this. Come on the choke. Let's kill Thetford first. Come on the choke. Look on the choke, guys. Look over the choke. On me. On
Then
the
get
choke.
already.
On me.
Then
5,
get already.
4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this. Kill them one by one. Just full push them. Full push.
Nice. They die.
Full push. And come up the choke. Don't stay down the choke. And kill. Don't stay down the choke.
Beat
Bridge
up,
is pushing.
beat up.
Come up the choke. Come up the choke. Master Chef, come up. And mount up. If you're in the back, just mount up, right? Just mount up. Mount up. Kill Thetford and we attack from southwest, guys. Southwest. Come southwest. Kima, bring them southwest. Bring the random southwest. Come southwest, guys.
Regroup. I think we regroup now.
Yeah, regroup southwest. QWDs, guy. This one here. Start breaking the wall. Attack the, and QW the mobs.
God.
QW the mobs. Just attack the gate. And engage, like, kill the mobs on me, guys. On me. Kill the mobs. And go back. Bomb squad coming. Go back. Bomb squad coming. Go back. And just QW the mobs.
Gadun.
Just QW the mobs. Kill the mobs, please, man. What the fuck? Kill the mobs. Just kill the mobs. Just QW the mobs. And go back. DPS go back. Go back. Nice defense. Go back. Nice defense. In the gate, if
They
you
have
can.
brimstone
Go back.
now.
Go down the choke. If you DPS, go down the choke, okay? If you DPS, go down the choke. Okay. Look over the wall, guys. Let them walk in. Break the gate for now. Go back. Def now. Heal the front line. Keep healing the front line. And if you dead, come back fast, please. Okay, we break gate break already. Look inside, guys. Full push inside. On the northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop damage now.
Be careful. Choke.
Go back out. Go back outside. And heal up.
You looking.
Go back outside and wait for DPS ready, okay? And QW the mobs. Okay, walk in. QW the mobs, guys.
Your front. More.
And look northeast on me, guys. Look northeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop damage on me. Just kill the cleric cowl, okay? Don't let him run. Okay, nice. Take south. Full take south of the Terry. Take south side and kill all the mobs. Fast. Kill all the mobs. Just QW them. QW the mobs. Just kill them. Kill the mobs fast. Don't use your E spell, okay? Just QW. QW the mobs.
Solar bomb is.
Yeah, okay. Careful. Okay. Okay, guys. Now kill the mobs on me. Okay, guys. Look northeast over the wall.
Enemy
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me.
Hit the bar.
Sorry, I am something.
Solar bomb dismount. East.
Careful of the solar bomb, guys. Careful
Shepherd,
Shaper,
Shepherd,
careful
Shepherd,
Shaper,
Shepherd,
careful
Shepherd,
Shaper,
Shepherd.
careful Shaper, careful
East,
Shaper,
east, east.
careful Shaper, careful East, careful East bomb, careful solar bomb, careful solar bomb. Okay, nice def,
Enemy again, def.
nice def.
They land not. Oh.
DPS, look north. DPS, look northeast on the side. Look northeast on the side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Drop damage now. Nice.
They get or not?
Go back.
No,
Back south. Heal up front line. And QW the mobs, guys. Kill the mobs first. Kill the mobs and look northwest after DPS ready. Walk south a bit. Walk south, take space and QW the mobs. Take space, kill out. Careful Shaper. Albion, careful Shaper. Careful. Guys, counter on the gate on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Drop damage now. Be catching the def tank, just killing. Maybe. Break wall. Only one guy. Kill him. Okay, nice one. Oh, heal up, front line. Break wall. Heal front line and keep breaking wall. Keep breaking wall. They'll engage soon. Def now. Careful, def now.
They're looking.
Def. Pop Giga, guys. And counter on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hey, just break wall. Fast. Shaper, guys. Shaper, hello. Go back and full heal. If you low HP, just go south and full heal. Go south and get full heal. Go south and get full heal. Heal the front line. Please just get full heal. Yeah, they are good, but break. We need to break wall. Break wall and break gate.
20%.
Yeah. Okay, guys, look northwest on me. Look northwest on me, guys. Look northwest. Look northwest on me, guys. 5, 4.
Oh my god. Hey yo.
Just break the second gate, guys. I'll re-gear and come back.
You die?